So instead of buying expensive paper models, a really easy way to get really cool paper models like this dog that we built around 8 years ago, and I have a lizard up there on the wall that we also built around 8 years ago. It's a really easy website to find. It's built by Canon, like the same company that makes cameras. So if you just search, Canon Papercraft or something like that, just go to their website, and they have a bunch of different topics. You can go to we could go to architecture, and then they have the Great Wall of China, and I mean that's pretty cool. So you'd be able to you can download all the paper itself, and then you can open up the PDF, and it'll actually give you all the instructions, and they're really good instructions. So this website is really useful for really just finding any type of paper model that you would want. They have everything, animals, stuff like that in the toys, educational, vehicles, science, architecture, decorative, and stuff like that. So I hope this video was useful, and if it was, don't forget to like and subscribe.